Managing your emails efficiently can make a huge difference in your productivity, and one of the best ways to do that is by adding custom categories in Gmail. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new category so your inbox stays organized and stress-free. Start by opening your Gmail account in a web browser. Once you're logged in, head to the left side bar where you see your inbox and folders like Send and Drafts. Scroll down a bit and click on More to reveal additional options. Hidden here is the key feature we need: Create New Label. In Gmail, labels work like categories or folders, helping you group related emails so they're easier to find. Click on Create New Label, and a small window will pop up asking for a name. This is your chance to think about how you want to organize your emails. You can name labels for work, family, projects, or anything that fits your needs. Clear and descriptive names make it simple to manage your emails as your inbox grows. Once you've chosen a name, hit Create, and your new label will appear in the sidebar, ready to organize your messages. You can create as many labels as you need, and the trick is to use them consistently for new emails. This simple habit can transform the way you manage your daily correspondence, making your inbox less cluttered and much easier to navigate. By adding these custom categories, you're taking control of your Gmail inbox and setting yourself up for a more organized and efficient workflow. Try it out, experiment with different labels, and watch your productivity improve. Happy emailing. If you want, I can also make an even snappier version that hits exactly 1.5 minutes when spoken aloud.